Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that's been creating a lot of buzz lately in the online income world, TubeCashAI. Now, if you're like me and have spent time exploring ways to make money online, you know there are endless methods out there. Some are complicated, requiring you to have all kinds of tech knowledge or specialized skills. Others sound too good to be true, which is usually a sign that they are. But TubeCashAI is promoting something a little different, and it definitely piqued my interest. They're talking about a passive income approach using YouTube, without needing to film or edit your own videos. So, let's dive in and see if this could be something real or just another gimmick. The concept behind TubeCashAI is actually quite simple. Instead of creating new videos, you're re-uploading viral videos that are already getting a lot of views and engagement. These videos come from TubeCashAI's database, which they say is full of content that's proven to get traffic and generate clicks. The strategy goes like this. Download these viral videos, use AI to tweak them slightly to avoid issues with re-uploading, and then post them to your own YouTube channel. The idea here is that you don't need to create anything from scratch. You're just using content that's already popular. The entire system is automated, which is where the AI part of TubeCashAI comes in, and it's designed to bring in passive income with minimal effort. The main selling point here is something they call the DRP formula. DRP stands for download, re-upload, and profit. According to TubeCashAI, this formula is what allows you to skip over the hard parts of content creation and still earn money. By re-uploading videos that are already viral, you're tapping into a proven formula for views, which is essential for making money through YouTube's ad revenue. But it doesn't stop there. TubeCashAI also talks about earning through affiliate marketing, where you can promote products within the videos and earn commissions. They claim you can make money not just from YouTube ads, but from platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Digistore as well. They showcase a few success stories to drive home how this method works. For example, Tony, a broke college graduate, is reportedly making $100 a day just by re-uploading viral videos. And then there is Sally, a former Uber driver who went from struggling financially to making $4,000 a month using TubeCashAI's system. These stories add a lot of appeal because they're relatable and show how people from all kinds of backgrounds could potentially succeed with this method. It's easy to imagine yourself in their shoes, thinking about what an extra $100 or even $4,000 a month could do for you. One thing I found interesting is that TubeCashAI promises this isn't just another oversaturated strategy, like dropshipping or content creation. They position it as something more accessible, where even beginners can start making money. You don't need to have any experience with YouTube, video editing, or even marketing. The system handles most of the technical aspects for you, from selecting the videos to tweaking them so they can go viral again. All you really have to do is decide how often you want to re-upload the content, and TubeCashAI takes care of the rest. They also emphasize the lifestyle potential of this method, showing that if it's successful, you could realistically live off passive income. They talk about the creator's journey from starting with nothing to now living in luxury homes and traveling whenever he wants. The TubeCashAI video makes it look like a dream setup, where your only job is checking on your account and watching the passive income roll in. This kind of financial freedom is a strong selling point because, let's be real, who doesn't want to earn money without having to clock in every day? Now, let's get into the reality check. This whole idea sounds fantastic, but it's natural to be a little skeptical. Can re-uploading viral videos really be that simple? YouTube, as we know, has strict rules on content duplication and copyright, so it's crucial to understand how this system avoids those issues. According to TubeCashAI, the use of AI helps make the videos unique enough to pass these checks. However, this part is still a little vague, and it's something I'd like to know more about before diving in. TubeCashAI does offer a 180-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy with it, you can get your investment back. That's a good safety net, but it's still wise to approach it with some caution. The program comes with a one-time fee, which TubeCashAI says is minimal, supposedly less than the cost of a couple of fancy coffees at Starbucks. This fee is meant to weed out people who aren't serious, which I understand because you don't want just anyone jumping in without putting in a little skin in the game. But remember, any investment in online income strategies should always be something you're comfortable with potentially losing, especially if you're just starting. So, if you're looking for a way to get into YouTube without the hassle of making original content, TubeCashAI could be worth checking out. The concept of re-uploading viral videos and automating passive income is enticing, but as always, do your own research and weigh the pros and cons. If you've tried something similar or have any thoughts on TubeCashAI, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys about what's worked, what hasn't, and if TubeCashAI sounds like something you'd consider. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.